Mr. Beast, the single most successful YouTuber in the history of YouTube, has now launched his own burger restaurant, Mr. Beast Burgers. There's a lot we can learn as e-commerce entrepreneurs from his launch, not least of which how he actually managed to sell 1 million burgers in just 3 months. Now that took McDonald's years to do. Mr. Beast did it in a few months. Pretty bloody impressive. So in this video series, what I'm doing is I'm going to show you exactly how Mr. Beast used his brand, used what he knew, and also did some very creative marketing to grow this multi-million dollar brand so quickly, and how that's going to then go on to become, I believe, a $1 billion brand. So if you like this kind of stuff, where I'm going to show you exactly how Mr. Beast is building this $1 billion brand, make sure you subscribe to this video, because I've got a series of 6 of these videos for you where we analyze different elements of his strategy, and I'm going to talk you right through it. Okay, with that being said, let's get into it. So here's what I do. So you guys know the AOE business. This is the AOE YouTube page. I think I started this on the harassing of Nicola Cairncross, harassed me to start it, I think 4 years ago, something like that. And all I did was I posted 1 video per day. That's all I posted, okay? 1 video per day. And the videos are like, 4 minutes, 2 minutes, 5 minutes. They're not long videos, okay? But I just made a commitment. I'm just going to post 1 video a day. And what I do is I shoot them all beforehand, and then they go up, okay? But just from doing that, that has massively built the Aussie online entrepreneurs business. Like, we get a ton of traffic from YouTube just from doing that. 1 video a day. I will tell you, it was hugely uncomfortable to begin with, like ludicrously uncomfortable, but I did it anyway, and it's turned into something really, really cool, okay? So if I can do it, you can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. The other thing I do is I've got my AOE page on Facebook, and also on Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you should. It's much more kind of Neil's life kind of stuff, if you're interested in that. I've got no idea. And so I use that, and that's the piece of equipment that I've just shown you that does that. That's the camera that I use, okay? Just so you can know what kind of equipment I'm using to do this sort of stuff. Doesn't need to be much. Most computers have got a built-in camera already that you're already using. It does not need to be super slick, does not need to be super, like the sound, I know the sound on this is crap, but it doesn't need to be awesome. It just needs to be authentic. You just need to be you. You need to be authentically you. The more you do that, the more you'll find people who resonate with that. Okay, that was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are over 2,500 of us now. We're actually the largest professional community of e-commerce entrepreneurs right here in Australia, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. If you would like to find out more about what we do, and of course how we can help you either get started or indeed build your own e-commerce business, grow and build your own business, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. The link for that is right underneath this video in the description, and I will see you on the inside. Bye for now.